Hello everyone. So I bought the Oculus Quest 2 from Flipkart and I got it only for 30,000 rupees because Flipkart was giving a special offer. It was a great experience because it is the very first VR that I have bought. It's Oculus Quest 2 VR headset with 3300 mAh high capacity unique capsule portable charger Oculus Quest, and with this box I got the headset, the two controller button, and the battery. And I am very happy because with this bundle I didn't get some extra, but the whole packaging and the delivery Flipkart is absolutely wonderful, and I get the 128 GB. So it is very happy because experience our most advanced all-in-one VR headset is excellent. I actually bought some games like Beat Saber, like Fit XR, Climb 2, which was I eagerly waiting to play with this VR, and I must say it's an next level hardware make everyone move count with a blazing fast processor and our highest resolution. So if you are all in gaming, do check it because they are giving in a very less price, and you are going to get a lifetime experience. With it I got the headset, the 2x touch controllers, the 2x AA batteries, silicone cover, glasses spacer if those person who are wearing glasses while playing, charging cable and power adapter. Do believe me, please buy this, and if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. The excellent, I will obviously bring some review with this VR headset. Is excellent, I must say, an excellent headset, and the controllers are great as well. Whenever you just think attached in your face, you can understand how good it is. It's a next level gaming device. Do watch it and subscribe, like it.